Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers from core of my heart for supporting this channel. Today, one question on the screen is International Math Olympiad question 1966 based on trigonometry. Prove that for every natural number n, for every real number x is not equals to k pi over 2 power t when t is equals to 0, 1, 2 up to n, k is an integer, 1 over sine twice x plus 1 over sine 4 times of x plus 1 over sine 8 times of x up to 1 over sine 2 power n x equals to cot x minus cot 2 power n x. So since this is a Olympiad question and based on trigonometry, we should know some trick to solve it, or we have to derive some formula. So here the formula is, I am sharing cot x minus cot twice x equals to cot x equals to cos x sin x minus cos twice x sin 2x CM is sin x sin twice x sin twice x cos x minus sin x cos 2x, and the numerator can be simplified as cot x minus cot 2x equals to your sin twice x minus x over sin x 2x is equals to sin x into sin twice x, cancel, so this will be 1 over sin 2x. So this is the key formula for solving this type of question. 1 over sin twice x equals to cot x minus cot twice x. So now we can apply your telescopic sum. For the series. Question is 1 over sin twice x plus 1 over sin 2 to the power 2x, that means sin 4x, 2 to the power 3x, this will be sin 8x, plus 1 over sin 2 power nx. So applying this, first term will be cot x minus cot 2x, second will be cot 2x minus cot 4x, third will be cot 4x minus cos 8x, cot 8x, and last term will be cot 2 power n minus 1 x minus cot 2 power nx. All the terms will be cancelled. First term will be left cot x and last term of the last is come 2 to the power nx. So we are getting in RHS. It is proved. Thank you for watching.